Welcome to the dimly lit streets of the S&P 500 market, where narrow alleys twist into shadowy recesses and the streetlights cast long silhouettes across market trends. Let's search the streets and alleyways before us with trusty magnifying glass in hand, looking for clues. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell. Levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,607. The penthouse window where the bulls need clean acceptance before the case turns bullish. Value area low, VAL, 7,600. The alley floor. Prices lurking nearby, and one bad step could invite sellers out of the fog. Point of control, POC, 7604. The smoky office where the most contracts gathered, leaving fingerprints all over the tape. Current price, 7,600. Below POC and near VAL. Buyers are still on the case, but the witness looks nervous. Support zone, 7,596 to 7,600. Lower alley support into VAL. Buyers need to defend this clue. Deeper support zone, 7,585 to 7,588. The basement file room. Below here, the downside case gets darker. Resistance zone, 7,604 to 7,607. POC into VAH, first major interrogation zone for any bounce. Upper resistance zone, 7,610 to 7,611. Session high area. Sellers may be waiting under a street lamp with bad intentions. Single prints / escape paths. Lower, 7,596 to 7,598. Thin alley passage. Failure here can move fast. Upper, 7,607 to 7,611. Narrow escape route. Acceptance above could trigger a squeeze chase. Market context. The market is balancing in a tight noir corridor between 7,600 to 7,607, with 7,604 acting as the magnet level. Price faded from the session high near 7,611 and is now testing the lower edge of value. VSRW AP sits lower near 7,594, so the broader structure still has bullish undertones, but momentum has cooled like a detective's coffee at 3 a.m. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume. Delta, CVD, breakdown. Session start, CVD, 2,400. Buyers open the file with a bullish lead. CVD peak, 15,320 near 8 o'clock. Bulls had the suspect cornered. Current CVD, 6,236, still positive, but the lead has gone missing. Net CVD change, plus 3,836 from start. Buyers remain ahead, but sellers have been tampering with evidence since the peak. CVD low, 2,400. No full bearish flip yet. Interpretation. CVD remains positive, but the fade from 15,320 to 6,236 shows aggressive sellers leaning into the pullback. If price cannot reclaim 7,604 to 7,607, the bullish case starts looking circumstantial. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Preferred entry zone, 7,596 to 7,600 near VAL/support. Stop loss, 7,594 or below the lower thin zone. Initial target, 7,604 POC. Major target, 7,607 to 7,611 VAH to popping/session high zone. Short trades. Preferred entry zone. Rejection from 7,604 to 7,607, or breakdown below 7,596. Stop loss, 7,611 on rejection shorts. Initial target, 7,600 OF AL. Major target, 7,588 to 7,585 broader support/value shelf. A TR is about 4, so stops tighter than that may get shaken out by market noise, the kind that always happens right before the villain walks in. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, value bounce. If price holds 7,596 to 7,600, consider long against support. Stop, 7,594. Targets, 7,604, then 7,607. Best if CVD stabilizes or turns higher. Scenario B, POC rejection. If price bounces into 7,604 to 7,607 and stalls, short the failure. Stop, 7,611. Targets, 7,600, then 7,596. This is the suspect smile too early setup. Scenario C, breakdown. Below VAL. If price accepts below 7,596, short continuation. Stop, 7,601. Targets, 7,588, then 7,585. Stronger if CVD keeps fading. Scenario D, breakout above VAH. If price reclaims and holds above 7,607, consider long on acceptance. Stop, 7,601 to 7,604. Targets, 7,611, then 7,616. C, extension. Bulls need fresh volume, not just a trench coat full of excuses. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.